All right, now I'm going to make strap connectors. So I'm just going to put this double-sided tape right in the middle. I drew a line down the center. So I'm just going to try and line this up right down that center. Where's my paper scissors? Oh, there they are. Cut this off. This is for the strap connector, so I'm going to take this tape off. And now I'm just going to fold this in to the line. Okay, I'm going to leave a little space in the center so it turns easier. Or when you fold it, there's not so much bulk. Not turns, because we're not turning it anywhere. My goodness, I can't seem to line anything up today. All right. Now, I'm going to sew down both sides of this, and then I'm going to cut it into however many pieces I need to connect it. Now I need a longer stitch length. Oh wow, I even forgot to put on my non-stick foot. So I'll have to do that for the handle though, because it's a lot thicker. So now, let's see. We need 4 of these. Let's see how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they'd be 3 inches each. 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to cut these at every 3 inches. There's 1. Whoops. 2. 3. So now I have 3 snap strap thingies. Now I got this here. And see how that is there? I want it to go just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'll put some double-sided tape down that middle. It's right here. Well, that's a little crooked. That's all right. we're going to put it in, line it up so it's straight, push it in, although that's not far enough. There, just like that. And bring the other one in, but not overlap. There. Now we're going to sew these on the bag over here. And you're going to want to make sure they're the same size when you do it. Looks the same size to me. There's our snap connectors, or our strap connectors already. Now I marked on here, line this up right on the mark, and then we are gonna go 2 inches from the top, 3 inches over, and then put it right on that line. Because that'll give us plenty of room. Wait a minute, we want at least, yeah, if we do it up there, so we're gonna put it right in the middle of the line. Where's my, oh, here they are. Okay, here's the first line. Actually, I'm going to line it up right on that line. Right in the middle of that line. That's where it's going. And then I'm going to put this right there. Right on top of it. Well, that's not the, oh, because, yeah. Yep, so that would be right in the middle, so that's right. All right, and I think I marked it over here, right there, yes. And this time I'm gonna put, all right, now I'll put this little bit here. And what did I do? I put it just right on that line in the middle. Yep, right there. This one needs to go up just a tad. Okay, right on that line. I gotta make sure they're, this side is 1, 2, and something. Yep, so that's right. So now, on the other side, I can basically feel where it starts. So I'm just going to put tape there. When I feel it, put it there. That's right in the middle. Actually, I gotta go. Oh, it came right off, so I guess it's staying there. And 2 inches down. So I gotta put a mark on that tape. All right, because we want it 2 inches down. And then 3 inches in. 1, 2, 3, so it would be here. One, 2, 3, 2 inches. All right, but this tape here, gotta get this little piece off of here. There we go. Okay, now let's put you down so I can feel where you're at. Right there. Okay, we're gonna sew them on. Slide it on here. Move your hardware out of the way. And I'm just gonna go right across there first. This one I'm gonna start at the bottom and sew up. If you need help, you can use a hump jumper. All right, now I'm going to turn, keeping everything straight and going up that same line, close to that same line of stitches. I'm going to go across the bottom and across the top. I'm not going to go up the side on these. Till I get all. All right, all the connectors are there.